Good afternoon po. Meron po akong iti-test ngayon. Homemade po ito, no? Chocolate balls. So, this was made by my wife and my daughter, yung 9 years old ko po na daughter, no? They just did this morning. So, it's 3:20 in the afternoon. It's been 2 hours since I ate my lunch. So, itatry ko po yung chocolate balls na to, no? So, yung ingredients po niyan, dates, yung peanuts na baked, tapos dark chocolate. Titingnan ko po kung ano pong gagawin niya sa blood sugar ko. We'll see. Baseline po muna tayo. Yan. So 115 po yung baseline natin. Kakain po ako ng siguro mga 3 pieces lang po. Tapos as always, babalik po ako after an hour to see kung ano po yung magiging blood sugar spike po niya. One hour na po, kuha na po tayo ng blood sugar. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, may allulose po pala yung dark chocolate, no? And at the same time, medyo natakot ako kasi natamisan ako eh. So instead of eating 3 balls, tatlo na lang po yung, dalawa na lang po yung kinain ko kanina. Yan. Ooh. Interesting. 114. So, 115 po yata tayo nag-start eh, no? So, bubaba pa po ng 1 unit, no? Interesting. So, balik po ulit ako after an hour and we'll see kung talagang wala pong blood sugar spike yung chocolate na kinain po natin today. Final blood sugar reading na po tayo. Yun po. Ang galing So, I think we started at 115. Tama po ba? Tapos on the first hour, bumaba po siya ng 114. Now it's down to 109. So, gagawa na lang po natin ng another video on how to do it kasi it seems na po pwede po siya sa diabetic. So, dalawang chocolate balls po yung kinain ko. So, I think that's enough na maging dessert. Actually, masarap po siya eh. Para po siyang Reese's. Kasi yung combination ng peanuts and chocolate, so para po siyang Reese's. Tapos meron pong salted butter. So, naglalaban po yung alat, yung tamis, at saka yung chocolate taste, no? It can be because of the fats and protein na nag-offset dun po sa tamis nung dates. So, may mga nakikita rin po akong comment and some articles na nagsasabi na pag pinag-combine nga po si peanut butter at saka si dates, kahit paano na neutralize po yung blood sugar spike. So, pwedeng ganun po yung nangyari dito sa experiment na to. So, yun lang po for today's review. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.